Hi, I'm Abhishek Reddypalli, Head of Business Development Activities at Flip Spaces, South India. We are at a marquee project of a prestigious developer. We are at Umiya Velociti. The facility offers about 8 lakh square feet with 65,000 square feet approximately per floor. This is an apt property for any of the corporates who are looking for their commercial office spaces towards north region of Bangalore. We are partnered with Umiya team as their PropTech as well as design and fit out partners. The conventional way of sharing the property details with the end clients is via PowerPoint presentations and raw images. With the support of technology, we have helped this team in transforming their way of presentation from static format to dynamic and interactive formats. VIZTOWN has allowed this developer to host all their property on a highly secure platform. The platform consists of all the metadata of all their properties, actual site images, two-dimensional furniture layouts, photorealistic renders, and gamified version of the futuristic office spaces. Apart from these features, the portal also allows the teams in generating reports as well as lease or sales agreements at a click of a button. We have helped them in installing this physical experience center at their facility, which is used as a virtual sample office space by their sales team to meet, greet, and showcase their marketing collaterals to their clients. We are very successful in supporting Team Umiya with our design expertise and PropTech approach. In the same way, we would love to work with multiple developers in the market and support them by providing this wonderful PropTech solution, VIZTOWN. Finally, welcome to VIZTOWN. I'll meet you very shortly at a new property powered by Flip Spaces.